Memory is
I think
such
you
a
got it.
big component that is lacking in some ways with how we're working with LLMs today, a huge opportunity area. But
Mhm.
what other gaps or problems do you see with how we interact with LLMs today?
Instead of having human beings interacting with GPTs to surface information, maybe making the human being marginally more effective at whatever it is they do, from writing code to writing a document, etc. I sometimes think about this when you're engaging a GPT, is the conversation being by and large in the interrogative. But when you're engaging with, for example, agentic AI, the conversation is mostly in the imperative. So if you think about, there's the imperative, the declarative, the exclamatory, the interrogative. The interrogative, you're asking questions. With the imperative, you're giving a command. Now, when we talk about memory and we talk about reasoning and we talk about agentic AI, there is sort of an interrogative dialogue that's happening behind the scenes. However, that's happening by the agents, not by the human being engaging in that Socratic dialogue to sort of fine-tune the thought process. The fine-tuning of the thought process is happening automatically. The human is just saying, for example, write my documents to a database. Of course, there's a lot of questions that invokes. What database? What's the username and password? What's the path to that database? What data do you want me to write to the database? What document? But of course, if you have agents behind the scenes that can answer, that first of all, that can ask those questions, then can answer those questions and maintain in memory as context the correct answers to those questions, then you have something, in my opinion, pretty powerful. And that I sort of refer to as agentic reasoning.